everyone, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to share some things with you guys with where I'm at and just keep you in the loop. So I've been feeling like I need to take a step back and reevaluate some things. I want to be incredibly intentional about the way I show up in the world and the kind of content that I'm sharing. It's a tough call to make, but showing up in a way that leaves a positive impact, that feels aligned, and that inspires others is very important to me. To figure out what that means, I think I need to step away from the noise to be able to better differentiate who I am and what I want to create from what others think I am or expect of me. I don't want to create videos simply because they will do well. I want to make videos that make me feel well and feel aligned. I'm working to be more cognizant of how I want to be seen. Let me be clear, this is levels deep. When you're a creator, it comes with certain pressures for sure. Even as a small creator, yes, tons of people make it happen with an iPhone camera and minimal equipment, but I found myself in a state where I watched videos and unconsciously compared my content, which in turn often filled me with feelings of inadequacy. It's a double-edged sword, truly, because consuming content from your favorite creators can be equally as inspiring, motivating, and it has honestly pushed me to become a better creator. But on the other hand, it left me feeling unsatisfied with where I was at with certain things. One of the most important messages I want to put out in the world is how important it is for every single one of us, creator or not, to show up in the world in an intentional way. Everything we do and say causes ripples and can be impactful. So I ask myself, how can I create positive ripples? I was watching a creator and she used the term refining, and it really, really spoke to me. I not only want to refine who I am, but also what I do. You guys want to know how I knew this was the right choice to make? The immense amount of peace that it brought me. Despite it not being an easy choice to make, peace is a priority, especially the peace within me. I've made the incredibly tough decision to step back from a couple of things in an effort to step closer to my purpose. I feel like it's necessary to get away from the noise and minimize outside influences so that I can really just exist. And, in the process, again, differentiate who I am and what I want from what other people want and expect of me from the bits I've chosen to share online. This isn't goodbye. This is more of a see you later. I'll probably be posting on my Instagram less often and more sporadic, but I will be taking a pause from uploading on YouTube. I want to create the most incredible content and be way more intentional about the way that I show up in the world and the impact I have. I'm hoping after I get away from all the noise and the dust settles, my path will be more clear. It might be 2 weeks before I post again, or maybe you'll see a new video next week. Either way, I want to say thank you for all your endless support, comments, and say how appreciative I am of all my incredible, amazing subscribers. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for your time and for the space I've been able to create with you guys, and I hope to see you soon.